Larson Electronics EPL MB2450 LED 100 magnetic mount explosion-proof LED light fixture is U.S.-Canada approved Class 1 Division 1 for areas where chemical vapors exist. This explosion-proof LED light has a T4A temperature rating and is designed for low-profile magnetic mounting system to make the maximum use of freely available space. The magnetic mount explosion-proof LED work light is comprised of solid-state design LEDs, making this explosion-proof LED fixture highly resistant to shock and vibrations and cooler running than comparable incandescent and HID light fixtures.